Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set email reminders in Gmail. This is one of those small but powerful features that can really improve your productivity and make sure you never miss an important follow-up, deadline, or meeting. By the end of this video, you'll know multiple ways to create reminders directly in Gmail and with Google's built-in tools, so you can pick whichever method works best for you. Let's start with Gmail's Schedule Send feature. This is probably the simplest option. Go ahead and open your Gmail and click on the Compose button to start a new email. Write your message just as you normally would, adding the subject, recipient, and body text. Now here's the trick. Instead of clicking the blue Send button immediately, look for the small arrow next to it. When you click that arrow, you'll see the option for Schedule Send. From here, Gmail gives you some suggested times like tomorrow morning or Monday at 8 a.m. But you can also pick your own custom date and time. Once you choose, your email won't send right away. Instead, Gmail will automatically send it at the time you scheduled. This is super useful if you want to remind someone about something in the future, or even if you want to remind yourself by scheduling an email to arrive in your own inbox at just the right time. Now, let's move to the second method, which is using Google Tasks inside Gmail. This is great if you want to set a reminder linked to a specific email. Open any email that you need to follow up on, and at the top of the message, you'll notice an icon that looks like a little check mark inside a circle. That's the Add to Tasks button. When you click it, Gmail creates a task automatically and attaches that email to it. On the right-hand side of your Gmail screen, you'll see the Tasks panel pop up. From here, you can edit the task, give it a title if you like, and most importantly, add a due date and time. Once you set that, Google will remind you when the task is due. This is a lifesaver if you often forget to reply to certain emails or need to circle back later. Another method is through Google Calendar, which is tightly integrated with Gmail. Open Google Calendar either from the app or by clicking the calendar icon in Gmail. Once you're there, click on Create to make a new event. Add all the details you need, such as the event title, description, or meeting link. Now scroll down to the Notifications section. Here you can choose to get reminders via pop-up or email. For example, you could set a reminder to get an email notification 10 minutes before a meeting, 1 day before a deadline, or even a week in advance. And the best part? You can set multiple reminders for the same event. So maybe you want a gentle nudge a day before and then a stronger reminder just an hour before. Google Calendar will send these alerts directly to your Gmail inbox, keeping everything tied together in one place. Between these three tools, Schedule Send, Google Tasks, and Google Calendar, you can cover pretty much every reminder situation you'll ever need. Schedule Send is great for emails you want delivered at a specific time. Tasks is perfect for keeping track of follow-ups linked to messages, and Calendar is ideal for larger events or deadlines where you want multiple reminders in advance. So the next time you're worried about forgetting an important email or missing a deadline, try out one of these methods. Once you get used to them, you'll notice how much more organized and stress-free your email life becomes. Thanks for watching. I hope this detailed guide helps you take full advantage of Gmail's reminder features and boosts your productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.